So since I last talked about this stock, it has already moved up by 130%. And what we are going to discuss in this particular video is the upcoming trend, or the trend which we are going to expect in the upcoming weeks and months. But I would definitely suggest you to check my previous videos which I have made 2 or 3 months back. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the long-term chart of Camber Energy Inc. And mind you one thing, that the only thing we cannot do is timing any stock. So we can't say that the stock will jump after 1 month or 2 months, or the uptrend will start at this particular time. If you found something interesting, something worthwhile, and you have decided to purchase it, don't try to time it. It will never happen unless a big buying comes in the market, or those who have the potential to change the trend. They can only change the trend, not a retail person. So having said that, in this particular chart of Camber Energy Inc., the stock first of all has been moving inside a range. So let me show you about the range, or let me tell you about the range, and I'll show you how this is working here right now. So these are the levels that you are going to look at. Yeah. Here we have so the stock has been trading inside a range for quite a long, I would say, you can see it's been 3, 4 or 5 months now. The lower side of the range, or the immediate support, will start from 1.45, which is your immediate support. Then you have 0.68, and your final support will come at 0.49. Okay, now if the stocks fall below 0.49, or here you can extend this up to this part. So here we have 0.45. So if the stock falls below 0.45, there is no point, there is carrying trade on the downside. Now on the upside, you will have two specific targets inside the range. You will have your first target at 2.65, and probably you will have your big target at 4.13, right? So these are the two targets, or the big resistance, that one should look for in the upcoming weeks as well as in the upcoming months. But let me show you or tell you one more indication, that if the stock, let's say, makes a breakout, or get a chance, or become successful to make a breakout above $4.2 or $4.5, then in that case, okay, this is something which is very much conditional. In that case, there is a possibility that stock may jump towards or in between. Here we have 10.4 and $13, $13.8 or $13 on the upside. But for the time being, you have two levels, 2.65 and 4.14. Once it successfully get crossed, and if the stock makes a breakout above 4.5, then it could jump up to or in between $10 and $13 respectively. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.